Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming pressures and suspension per load so readings reflect real riding conditions. Once done, mount the Dunlop tracking gauge centered on the hub and finger tighten every fastener. This prevents skewed angles. Next, set 2 reference points about 1/2 inch from the rim edge to read lateral movement consistently. Make sure the bike sits level on a stand, and recheck that the gauge contacts are parallel to the rim, so your first measurements are reliable and repeatable. You now take precise left and right readings with the gauge and write down differences to 0. 1 millimeter. This tells you which direction to move the wheel. Once noted, loosen the axle or adjuster just enough to permit small shifts, then nudge the wheel by the measured amount and resecure hardware. After tightening, spin the wheel and recheck both sides. If the numbers haven't converged within your tolerance, repeat the loosen shift tighten cycle until lateral balance is achieved and the bike tracks true. You finish by torquing the axle to the manufacturer's specification, then take final measurements to confirm alignment stayed within tolerance. Once done, perform a short, controlled ride test to verify tracking under load. If a persistent lateral error remains, inspect axle straightness, bearing play, and confirm the gauge was centered and not angled. These are common hidden causes. Make the correction, retorque, and document final values so you know the exact change and can return to this baseline later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.